So practice 5.7, question 2. Find the number of terms if the sum of geometric progression of this is this one. So this is our Sn. Right. So first, let's write down our Sn formula. Sn for geometric progression would be over r minus 1. This will be our formula for Sn. Okay. Then we figure out our A and our R. A is the first term, so 3500. R would be T2 over T1 or T3 over T2. So in this case, since we have T2 and T1, we just do 700 over 3500. I think this will give us 1 over 5. Yep. So 1 over 5, or we can just write it as decimal, 0.2. Okay. Now, since we know Sn is 4368, we can say A Rn minus 1 over R minus 1 equals to 4368. Then we sub in the values. So we know A is 3500, R is 0.2 power n minus 1 over R minus 1 is 4368. Okay, let's sambung here. So this one we can settle 0.2 minus 1. So we have 3500 times 0.2 power n minus 1 equals to, so this one we times here, we will get 4368 times 0.2 minus 1, negative 3494. Oops. 0.4. Okay, and then this 3500 we bring here, become divide. So 0.2 power n minus 1 is this answer divided by 3500. We get negative 0.9984. The negative 1 we bring here becomes plus 1. So we get 1 over 625, or we can say 0.0016. Okay, so to find n, what we do is we can multiply the whole thing by log. So log 0.2 power n is log 0.0016. Why we multiply by log? So that we can bring the power down. Okay, so we have n log 0.2, and then this log 0.2 we bring here becomes divide. So we can say n is log 0.0016 divided by log 0.2. We get 4. So sum of the first 4 terms will give us 4368. That's it.